Welcome traders to the Crypto Trade One Corporate Service. So currently you can see that there are number of accounts are connected and most of the accounts you can see that it is from the Binance exchange. So definitely as per the API key and the secret key we have taken the client's account for the trade, and definitely here you can see all the information where the how the amount is available into the spot and the future, all this information you can see. So there are a lot of capital and everything is available, and clients are keep on adding the amount, clients are keep on taking the profit, and all these things are continuously going on because it is a lifetime service. So as per that one you can see the whatever the clients keeping the portfolio capital in each and every accounts as per their the name, and you can see that there are the CRNs and the information of the each and every clients are in details available, where you can see the capital is all are capital in USDT. So whatever the clients are having, where the clients are having a capital from the 5,000, 10,000, 80,000, 90,000, like that also, and the 78,000 also you can currently see on the spot segment from the client. So like that, whenever the opportunity is there, we are going to trade into each and every account. So now one by one we are going to see that how we are taking a trades, which is the signal we are given on our Telegram channel, which is the buy BNB USDT. So that trade we are taken on our client's account also, and that we are going to see. So every 1,000 we are going to take the 2 BNB for the trade, so as per the safer side, so that the clients can able to see the profit and there will not be any risk on their capital as per the future trading. So here we go. So here you can see that the current client information, here you can see that all the details about his client and the things you can have a look. This is his future trading, his ID and all the details, where you can see that here we can check the symbols, date, his balance about the trade. Here you will get leverage range, and definitely leverage is available for the Binance into the exchange is 75, but mostly we are recommending as per the 10x or 20x. More than that we are not getting, and each and every as per their capital you can see that every 1,000 we are taking a 2 BNB. So as per his capital we are taking the 4 quantities for the trade. So moving ahead about next. So this is the next client account, where you can see all the balance about this one, more than 53,000 is having. So as per that one you can see that we are taken the BNB trade, and before that we are taken the sold USDT. All the trades are closed into the profit. So as the system is going to be upgraded, so you can see all the trades, profit, loss, and each and every information with this our own corporate trade software, which is connected with the different exchanges for the trade. So moving ahead, you can see that this is another account. We are having a 31,700 near balance for the trade, and in this we are taken again the 62 quantities of the BNB USDT, where you can see that the sold USD previously trades is closed into the profit and deliver the profit to the client. Moving ahead, one more account currently I am going to show you. At limited accounts we are going to show, so that you will get the idea that how we are connecting, how we are delivering a profit to the clients each and every time with all these details. So here you can see that this capital is balance is nearly about 9,000. So as per that one we are taking 16,000 quantities for this BNB, and the rest of the trade we are updated for the profit, and each and every day sold USDT trade is going on. So here you can see that there is a one more account where you can check that we are having an account with the balance about $10,000, where we are taking 10 quantities, and one more as per the entry we are added 8 quantities. Price also you can see that nearly about 459 to 460 we are having a trade into this account. Yeah, and this is the chart of this BNB USDT from the Binance. You can see that nearly whatever the trades currently from 448 to 480 it is already traded, and we are going to hold this trade nearly about the 500 plus. We are having a target for this trade, so that we can get the consistent profit into the client account. So if you are having your account for the trade, and if you are not able to trade it properly, so definitely you should go ahead with our corporate service, where you just need to hand over your account one time with the API key and the secret key. We will trade for you. You no need to worry about your capital or where everything, each and every detail for 24/7. The account is managed by the Crypto Trade One. Thanks a lot for watching this video.